a blizzard. I'm just watching for this. Can't see that parking lot no more. And the cats are trying to run outside. Can anybody see that parking lot across the street? Because it's harder to see than anything. That's our blizzard with our cats trying to get outside. Or at least standing right behind me.